What's going on, everybody? Gardening with Barchuckin. Back at it again. This one I'm in my house. I also have a vermicompost bin where growing worms and feeding them food scraps. So with doing this, the worms require grit to help break down the food and process it. So what I've been using is eggshells. So I'm going to give you a quick glance at what I normally do to help break the eggshells down, getting them cleaned up, either using hard-boiled eggs and or putting the eggs in the microwave. I was going to take you through what I do with my eggshells. So after we have eggs, I'll go ahead and I'll plate them up. I'll place them in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Woo-wee! Hot tamale, hot tamale, hot tamale. So I don't know if you can hear them snap, crackling, and popping, but I want to kill off any possible chance of salmonella. What I'm going to do now is put them into a bowl, the mortar, and I can break it up with the pestle into a fine, almost dust, but there'll still be some chunks, and the worms are going to be able to use that for their grit to help digest the food. Here's my mortar and pestle and my eggshells. This does not get the eggshells as fine as the blender, but for me, it works well enough, and I'll be showing you the blender in the next clip. But that'll be perfect for the worms. After you grind it up in your mortar and pestle or in your blender, there's going to be dust that comes up from the ground up eggshells. You do not want to breathe that in. Don't forget, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're doing any worms and if you're doing the same thing or what you're using for the grit for the worms. I'm using 2 different types of eggshells. These eggshells I used in egg salad, so they were boiled. I peeled them and moved them to the side. These are eggs that were used in the morning for scrambled eggs. I take the eggshells, I cover it with a piece of moist paper towel and microwave it on high for 3 minutes to try to kill off any bacteria. I'm going to add them to the blender, and that will be grit for my worms. The hard-boiled eggshells have been added. And the microwaved eggshells. Turn the speed up. Now, I don't know if you can see all the dust that's been created. do not want to inhale any ground up eggshell dust. So when it's all said and done, this is what I have to add for the grit for my worms when I feed them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.